My friends, good to see you back here at Simple Italian Cooking, and today we will do a very fruity and very juicy summer dish. Have a look. Wow, look at this ANGURIATA. So this includes melon, watermelon, grapes, cherries, apples, pears, peaches, apricot, lemon, orange, my strawberries, and I don't know what I forgot. It's about 12 different fruits. You got it right, it's a macedonia and a watermelon, and we will use the watermelon as the bowl. And macedonia is basically a fruit salad, typical Italian fruit salad, summer dish, and we will use the fruits of the season. And let's have a look what these fruits are. Come closer please, come closer please. So you see here, these are, I want to highlight, these are all fruits that are grown in Italy. So these are really fruits of the season. We are now at the end of June, and at the end of June is the typical month where you find the biggest selection, the biggest variety of fruits. So let's start from the left to the right. Of course you will need our watermelon. This is about 9 kilograms. And important is that this watermelon can also stand, so we can use that as the bowl, and we will cut about the upper third of it and empty it and then make the macedonia inside. In addition to the watermelon, we got here standard melon, also from Italy, about 1 kilograms. We got the final strawberries from my garden, and yeah, have a look how I collected them. Oh yes, look how beautiful these are. Just need to wash them and then we will use them. There we go. Yeah, and you see here, these are small strawberries because it's these are the final ones of the season, but don't underestimate them. Size does not matter in this case. They are really, really delicious. In addition to that, we got about 500 grams of cherries, also the final ones of this season. You see they're really, really nice and big, really, really delicious and sweet. And again, we got here small fruits. These are grapes, very, very delicious and without stones. We move over to apricot. We got then blueberries. And a fruit that I am particularly passionate of, these are peaches with a yellow meat, very, very delicious. Good stuff from Italy. We got 2 pears, we got 2 apples. Final orange of the season. We will squeeze the orange juice together with 2 lemons. Have a look where I got those from, also from my garden. 1 and 2, yeah, we will use those. Yeah, and that's it. I think we got 12 different fruits. And finally, we will make this macedonia adult, and we will add a few shots of Moscato wine, Moscato Giallo. This is a sweet wine, perhaps more than a few shots. I would say half a liter, that will do the job. And if it's the lemons are too sour, I may or may not add a few shots of honey. And finally, also for my garden, these mint leaves, have a look. We'll also use these mint leaves. Oh yeah. Yeah, and so these mint leaves will also add additional value to this macedonia. So let's... Okay my friends, so this is the very first part, and it's probably the most challenging one because I will have to cut this right. Let's say 1/3. Let's see, this knife is really, really sharp. It's a Japanese knife. And yeah. I think we are there. Yeah. There we go. Yes. Let's see this part as well. There we are. Oh yeah. Look at this beauty. So you see my friends, this is how the bowl will stand. It's not 100% even, but yeah, I think it will be fine. And let me also do a quality check if we can use this. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, so the first step will be a tough step, little exercise. We use this thing that you usually see when you buy ice cream and make little balls to empty this watermelon that is actually 9 kilograms heavy. So lots of fruit inside, and yeah, we will keep doing so for, I estimate, another 5 to 10 minutes, and then we are ready for the next step. Okay, my friends, so first milestone has been reached. We removed, or we created a few balls, a few small balls from this watermelon. We will use those, not anymore, because we got all the other fruits that we need to put in. And the remaining part of the watermelon, we will just make some juice out of it and fill it later into this watermelon. Okay, my friends, so you see, first milestone has been reached. Look how light this watermelon has become. And yeah, it was a lot of handwork. You see, you can also do it with a standard spoon. Luckily, I had some help from my assistant behind the camera to get out all these fruits. We will make juice out of it, and perhaps we may add some of this juice later into this macedonia, in addition to the Moscato, of course. And so let's move on to the next step. We will now cut the melon. Yeah. Oh yes. Not sure if we will need all of it, but yeah, let's start cutting. Attention, fingers. And yeah, so I will cut this. By the way, I have washed and sanitized my fingers, so no need to worry. And I wanted to tell you, so this is a typical dish that is very common in during the summer season, as I said, because of the large variety of fruits that are available, and especially when you have guests coming to your place, because it's a lot of fruit. And in fact, today we are expecting guests, so hopefully they will be satisfied with this. Let's call it pre-dessert. Yeah, so I thought I will create some space here and remove all these fruits and make a nice juice out of it. And then we have, of course, more space available. And we can also drink some juice, especially the kids, because we have the adult version here, and we also need a non-adult version of the macedonia. And yeah. Let's see how the juice will come out. There we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Quality check, quality check. Yeah, this is pure energy. Okay, my friends, you see we managed to create some juice already from the remaining watermelon that we will not use, and we may add some of this juice later into the watermelon for the macedonia. And I start now cutting the strawberries. They're already washed. You saw me collecting them this morning. This is good. Okay, and so on. And yeah, that's the process. Pretty basic, pretty easy. Just make sure when you do that, you use quality ingredients, and for me this means I only use local fruits that are grown here in Italy. Breaking news, I need to tell you, we have added pears and apples, actually only half a pear and one apple, or half apple actually, because we notice it's too much otherwise. And next step will be, I will squeeze these lemons that I just picked from my garden and add the lemon juice into this melon juice, because this will give an extra fresh taste to the macedonia. And there we go, we got this thing to squeeze the lemon. You may have an electric squeezer, but for now I'm fine with this. I will also use this orange and squeeze it as well. Oh yeah. There we go. And yeah, we had to stop cutting the fruits because otherwise it will not all fit into this beautiful watermelon bowl. Let's see what we got already. Yes, lots of vitamin C. Let me also add this. Okay, the juice is now almost fine. I will also add a few of these mint leaves that I also collected this morning. And yeah, they also have a characteristic, nice, strong taste. There we go. Wow, this is already pretty full, pretty filled up. We got already the peaches and I'm now cutting the apricot. Yeah, they're really, really delicious. Yeah, no worms inside, that's good. Good news. There we go. And I think we are pretty much there. We only need to cut the cherries. Let me see if I can find the right technique to remove the stone. No, this is for me. Yeah, yeah, really, really delicious. And this is for our guests. And let's move on. Here. This is the technique. Okay, my friends, so I thought it's already time to start filling this melon to see how this all, opla, in fact, to see how this all fits inside. Now we have the situation that the soft part, the watermelon, is on top and the other pieces are at the bottom, but we will find a way to mix around. For example, I also got here our grapes and a few cherries, and I will cut a few more cherries and then it will all look nice and even. We have reached the most interesting part. I will now fill this bowl with the juice and we will see if there's a leak or not. Oh yes. And the remaining part we will fill with our Moscato wine. Let's see. I would say about half a liter will do the job. Yeah, yeah, it's already pretty filled. Yeah. There we go. Look at this ANGURIATA. So this includes melon, watermelon, grapes, cherries, apples, pears, peaches, apricot, lemon, orange, my strawberries, and I don't know what I forgot. It's about 12 different fruits. Look at this. Look at this, how juicy. And all fruits of the season grown here in Italy. Okay, my friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I have now to do the quality check before our guests arrive. And let's see how this tastes here. So I will grab a little bit of this beautiful Macedonia. And by the way, I wanted to tell you also, feel free to subscribe to this channel. There will come many more videos, and yeah, you can also like, share, comment. I will answer any of your questions. And yeah, stay tuned and thanks for watching. Mm.